Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today we are bringing you a coach that is practically brand new. This is a 2018 Jayco Alante 31R bunkhouse, and it has an unbelievable 4,995 miles on it. If you have been searching for a family-friendly Class A that hasn't even been fully broken in yet, you are looking at it. At 34 feet long, this Alante is built on the heavy-duty Ford F53 chassis and features two enormous slide-outs that really open up the living space. One of the biggest things that sets Jayco apart is the JRide Package. This isn't just a standard chassis. It includes a computer-balanced driveshaft, jounce bumpers, standard front and rear stabilizer bars, and SACHS shock absorbers. This means you're getting a much smoother, more controlled ride than your average gas motorhome. Another massive value add here at Porter's, we have installed brand new tires all the way around this RV. Even with such low mileage, we want to make sure you are hitting the road on fresh rubber for total peace of mind. As we walk the passenger side, notice the electric patio awning with integrated LED lights and the one-piece fiberglass roof, which is a premium feature for durability and leak prevention. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center, featuring a TV on a swivel bracket, along with a CD, DVD, and AM/FM radio with outdoor speakers. It's the perfect setup for a tailgate or a movie night under the stars. Throughout this walk-around, you'll see the backup and side view cameras that make maneuvering this 34-footer a breeze. You've also got automatic hydraulic leveling jacks, a 5,000-pound hitch receiver, and a clean, modern look that belies its 2018 model year. We are going to finish up our exterior tour and then head inside to see this incredible bunkhouse layout that can actually sleep 8 people comfortably. Step up into the Alante and you are immediately greeted by a wide-open, modern interior. The 31R floor plan is one of Jayco's most popular for a reason. It manages to feel incredibly spacious while remaining under 35 feet. You can see how those two huge slides create a wide hallway and a grand living area that is perfect for a large family. Let's take a closer look at the cockpit and the main lounge. Up front in the cockpit, you have comfortable captain's chairs that provide a commanding view of the road. This rig is powered by the proven Ford 6.8-liter V10 engine, producing 320 horsepower. It's paired with the TorqShift 6-speed automatic transmission, which includes a tow haul mode for when you're pulling a trailer or a car. In the main living room, we have a jackknife sleeper sofa and a convertible booth dinette. Both of these easily transform into extra beds, giving you plenty of sleeping capacity. But check out this entertainment setup. You have a massive 50-inch TV on a power lift. It stays hidden away in the cabinetry when you want to enjoy the view out the window, but with the touch of a button, it rises up for a theater-like experience. It's a clever use of space that keeps the coach feeling open and airy during the day. The kitchen in the Alante is fully equipped to feed the whole crew. You have a 4-door gas and electric refrigerator and freezer, which is a significant upgrade that offers much more storage than a standard RV fridge. For cooking, you've got a gas oven and stovetop, plus a microwave convection oven for added flexibility. The stainless steel residential sink and high-rise faucet make cleanup simple, and the solid surface countertops provide a great area for meal prep. There is also plenty of overhead cabinetry to keep all your pantry items organized. Here is the highlight for the kids, the bunkhouse area. We have twin bunk beds and each one comes with its own individual flip-down TV. This gives the kids their own personal space to relax, watch a show, or play games, which makes those longer trips so much more peaceful for the parents. It's a smart, dedicated area that really maximizes the utility of this coach. Welcome to the master retreat at the rear of the coach. It features a comfortable queen-size bed with walk-around space, making it easy to get in and out of bed. You have a large wardrobe closet and plenty of drawer storage for all your travel attire. Large windows on both sides provide great natural light and ventilation, ensuring you get a quiet and restful night's sleep before your next day of travel. The private bathroom in the 31R is surprisingly spacious for a coach of this length. The standout feature is the huge shower enclosure with glass doors and a skylight that adds a lot of height and brightness to the room. You also have a vanity with a sink, a toilet, and a power vent fan to keep the air fresh. It's a clean, functional space with plenty of room to get ready in the morning without feeling cramped. Having a bathroom this well proportioned is a huge benefit when you're traveling with a full house of 8 people. The 2018 Jayco Alante 31R is a rare opportunity to get a nearly new bunkhouse coach at a fantastic value. To recap, you are looking at a gas motorhome with less than 5,000 miles on the clock. It's powered by the reliable Ford V10 and features the JRide Package for a superior driving experience. With brand new tires all around, an Onan generator with only 67 hours, and the ability to sleep 8 people, this Jayco is ready for your next family adventure. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 864-2609-276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet for this unit. Thank you so much for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales. We take great pride in our inventory and love showing you these high-quality coaches. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more virtual tours. We look forward to seeing you here in Williamston very soon. And as always, happy camping!